How to find and delete clipboard history. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started with our video. Now to get to clipboard, first of all you have to open up keyboard in your device. After you open up your keyboard, now on the top of your keyboard at the menu bar, there is a clipboard icon, tap on it. After you do that, on the clipboard, you will be able to view all your history in clipboard. Now to delete that, select the specific that you want to delete. Tap and hold on it. After that, a drop-down menu will pop up with an option to paste, pin or delete. So tap on delete to delete that clipboard history. And as soon as you do that, that history will get deleted. And you can do the same with other as well. So this is the way to find and delete clipboard history, and hope this video helped you. That's all for today's video. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.